ladies, welcome back to a new video. Today we have something so different and exciting. I am going to be sharing with you all of the new hidden gems that I found at Walmart for fall and winter fashion. I am on a journey of not wearing sweatpants outside of working out or doing yoga because I really want to put a lot more effort into my everyday style. My own personal style is also evolving, and I have a folder on Pinterest titled Classy Dulce, where I have been filling it up with fashion inspiration that I feel is a little bit more elevated for my own personal style and where I find myself at this current place in my life. And I feel as we're going through a transformation, it's so important for us to also transform our closet, our wardrobe, our style. I still love shopping on a budget, and Walmart is one of my favorite places to shop. They have a few brands that I absolutely love, so I definitely picked out some really new fun fashion accessories and even some things that I would consider as classic items to have in your wardrobe that are going to go with so many different things. So without further ado, let's get started. I think we should definitely begin with the clothing. One of my favorite brands is called Scoop. It's kind of like the one brand that I always gravitate towards because I feel like everything is so fashion forward and trendy at the same time, but they also have some really classy pieces that I feel could be timeless. So this is a really fun jacket. I live in California. It doesn't really get that cold. So once in a while, I'll invest in a really great jacket, but most of the time I buy affordable jackets just because I don't wear outer clothing all the time. But check out how sick this jacket is. I mean, I love the contrast of the actual collar and the jacket itself. I'm not mad at it. I feel like it's such a cool jacket. It has definitely more of like a rebel, edgy vibe to it, but I am obsessed with it. You can see here I am 4 feet 9 inches. So just so you see it on my actual body and how it fits. Really a cool jacket that I feel like you can wear over a dress, over a skirt, with some boots, jeans. I mean, you can definitely wear this in so many different ways. Just get creative and have some fun. I just really love this detail here. It's like so soft, and I love that little different detail to a jacket like this. Now, as far as clothing, something that I also saw that I really loved are bodysuits in this kind of knitted sweater fabric. The different little element that I love here is on the sleeves because it has some buttons and it has like some little keyholes in here. So I thought it was a really cool, unique little detail to the, typical bodysuits that I have, but it's a really nice, warm, layering piece. The actual bodysuit itself is really thin, so it's really comfortable and it doesn't like clump up on your jeans, which is really nice. They have them in different colors. I mean, they have them like in neon and pink and dark blue, in black if you want something a little bit, more wearable, of course. But I went for the white because I just feel like this high neck, kind of scoop neck, long sleeve is just such a great layering piece if you are going out and it's a lot colder. You can wear it with a skirt, with jeans, with this, pants, faux leather pants. I mean, so many different ways. Of course, it's just a white long sleeve bodysuit. Definitely recommend it if you are looking for one at an affordable price, of course. Now, the other brand that I also love shopping from is called Free Assembly. They have a little bit more of a sporty vibe to it as well. One of the things that I have on my Pinterest folder for Classy Dulce is a striped button-up shirt, which honestly, I feel like this would be such a great investment if you wanted to invest in something even more high quality, because this type of shirt is definitely something that is more classy, right? You can wear it with trousers, with denim shorts, or like trouser shorts or a skirt. Also very versatile. Fashion is definitely very fun. I love to experiment and try different kind of styles just to kind of see what really resonates with me, right? You can wear it button up, or you can just wear it with, you can wear it open with a different kind of shirt underneath, maybe something with a lower neckline, and maybe tuck it in with a brown purse. You're gonna have such a great look that is never going to go out of style. But I really love it. For someone who is 4'9", I feel like this one is so great. And you know, if you want to be a little sexier, you can tie it up and wear something, of course, different underneath, even a bathing suit underneath this. Okay, we're on to something. Let's check out the collar here. Simple collar, simple buttons, but it's very, very soft also. Now we're moving on to accessories. This is a bag that I found also from Walmart at such a great price. The brand is called Dulce. Never heard about it before, but I saw the shape, and this is also the kind of bag that I was looking for that is pinned on my Classy Dulce folder. This top handle bag with this shirt here, perfect combination. We're going for the Classy Dulce vibes here, something that never goes out of style. And of course, this type of purse is something that you would want to invest if you want something that's gonna last you a really long time. But since I am not in a time period in my life where I'm investing in designer bags, it's just like there's so many other things that I want to buy instead of a designer bag. Like I really want to turn my backyard into this biohacking backyard, and so there's like this plunger where you go in and it's like deep, like really freezing cold water, a sauna that I want to get from my backyard, and so many different things. So it's a double handle and it has 3 compartments inside, which I also really love. Shoes are my favorite thing ever. I have so much fun with shoes and there's always new styles. So as a girl, I just love shopping for shoes. So I am having so much fun revamping my style and I can't wait to wear these in an outfit. Let's begin with these babies here. I know you guys are going to love these. I mean, who does not love them? They also come in black. So you put them on with a zipper, and it does have a little buckle here on the side for just design. But my favorite part of these is that they also have a big platform. Thick heel and a thick platform just means comfort. So you're gonna get height and comfort and sexiness, because you know when you wear heels, you just walk a little bit differently, something about you changes. So many different options, and that is the best thing about the things that I am picking out, is that I can wear them in so many different ways, because I really want to make sure that what I buy, I actually wear. Okay, so now we have some flats, and quite honestly, I was a little apprehensive towards buying flats because I just feel like I went through a period, maybe, I don't know, 7 years ago, when I went through a period where all I wore were flats, specifically Tory Burch flats, and I think I sold them all already on the Real. So I went through a phase where I was like, I don't want to wear flats anymore. Like they just, I don't know, I was having a moment where I was just not into flats at all. But now flats are back in style, and the style itself is actually a lot different, and I really love kind of like this ballerina, kind of like doll shoe type of style. I feel like it's very feminine and also very classy at the same time, and also more of a classic staple. And these are also from Scoop. They're kind of like this patent leather, and I really love the flat toe. That's very on trend also. And another really cool thing about these specifically, guys, is that they have like a padded sole, so they are very, very comfortable. Okay, so these are one of my favorites. Again, super comfortable, also from the brand Scoop. They have them in black, more of like a patent leather black, and then these beautiful faux suede shoes are just so amazing. I also love to experiment with a bohemian style. So I would definitely say I am more of like feminine, boho, and sometimes classy Dulce, depending on the mood, but those are kind of like the 3 moods that I kind of circle through. I tried them on, so comfortable, especially if you're a mom and you really want to stay away from the tennis shoes or the yoga pants where we wear them out all the time. Yes, I know they're a lot more comfortable, but I also feel like first impressions when you're meeting people are so important. And for me, one of the first acts of self-love also is the way that I present myself to myself and the world, right? So really putting effort into my outfit, into my hair, into my makeup, and beautiful clothing, and putting effort into my style and dressing beautifully in my own way. I feel like it's a sign of respect, right, for myself. And because you dress and you look good, people also respect you more, right? Just think about all of the really great boho outfits that we're gonna be rocking with these. Last but not least, we have one more pair of shoes. These right here have been in style for a few seasons now. These are really cool also, and I'm so happy in one kind of common thing that I'm noticing among this brand here specifically is that they really put effort into comfort when it comes to the shoes, because a lot of times affordable shoes are very uncomfortable. So I love that the insole is also padded. I think it's just such a major bonus, because we do want to be wearing our shoes, right? Not just for photos. We want to be wearing our outfits all day. And for me, and for any other mom out there who has children, you want to look fashionable also, but we're not going to be wearing uncomfortable shoes and heels because it's not practical. So these are so fun, guys. I cannot wait to get my little schoolgirl skirt and put some really cute outfits together with these. Another really fun detail that these have that is different, aside from the thick platform, they have this really fun little buckle of like this diamond flower, rhinestone flower. And I just thought it was just so cute and a little bit different. And I will be putting outfits together with all of these so you guys can actually see them styled, and I'll share my outfits on my Instagram at DulceCandy. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. It was definitely different but fun, but I am here to share every little part of my life that I feel like it is flourishing, and I want to help you guys and inspire you. So if you guys enjoyed it, I would really appreciate it by you guys thumbing up the video so I know that this is something that you guys want to see more from me on this channel. Having that, this is the first video that I'm doing, I think. I don't think I've done a try-on haul ever on this channel. So yeah, let me know if you enjoyed it, and if you want to see more fashion finds from my favorite places to shop. Until next time, have a blessed and beautiful day, and I can't wait to see you soon.